Make sure. Put your seatbelt on here. Safety first. That's what you're talking about. Hi, good day and welcome to another video. Today's video we're going to do the unboxing of the 18 sound 8M400F 8-inch mid-range speaker. This is 2 of the 4 which I'll be using for my E25 caravan upgrade. I sold the tympanos after that last situation. What happened, I will leave a link in that video, and I decided I would go to much powerful speakers, so I went back with a brand which I personally love, which is 18 sound. Everybody could have their different opinion about it, but to me they sound great. It's worth the money, hands down, and you can't get nothing better for 8-inch. The only thing to come close is BNC, and plus I like Italian speakers, so that's just my choice. Everybody have their own preference, but 18 sound all the way. As you can see, they got the model, the ohm rating, the code, the batch. Well, quantity obviously is 1. So the difference from this one is the 8M400F goes to frequency 200 Hertz, if I'm correct, don't hold me at it, to 9100 Hertz, right? The 800M400, I think that goes to 160 Hertz to 6200 Hertz. Please don't hold me at it. I will correct if there's anything. I love this speaker. Trust me, I had the 18 sound 6-inch and they were great. After so many years, I'm now going back into 18 sound, just trying new speakers, but no matter what, you end up right back where you started. As you can see, hope I could zoom up, the 18 sound genuine tag plus 18 sound 8M400F 8 ohms, have the date, have the serial number, the codes, made in Italy of course. What a heavy speaker. Lovely technology. So I'll be using 4 in these in my E25 caravan. What will be powering up these speakers would be the T800.480 Roxwood Fosgate power. I need to repair that also, so that will be our next video. But this is it, guys. This is the 18 sound 8M400F. I've got 2 in these guys. I'll have to purchase the next 2 around next week, so I'll have 4. So this is it, guys. I went 8 ohms, so bridgeable on one side will be at 4 ohms, so it will work excellent for me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you please continue to like, subscribe, share, because it's gonna get crazy now. This is where I always wanted to be and I finally reach. So until our next one, take care.